Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bar is made? Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of chocolate, from bean to bar. Host, as No Logic. Hi, this is No Logic, and today we're diving into the detailed process of how chocolate is made. Let's get started. Chocolate starts its life as a cocoa pod on a tree. These trees grow in tropical climates, primarily in regions like West Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. Cocoa pods are harvested by hand using machetes. The ripe pods are carefully cut from the trees and collected for the next stage. Inside each cocoa pod are cocoa beans surrounded by a sweet white pulp. The beans and pulp are scooped out and placed in shallow containers to ferment. Fermentation. Expert. Fermentation is a critical step that develops the bean's flavor. This process takes about 5 to 7 days, during which the beans are regularly turned to ensure even fermentation. After fermentation, the beans are spread out to dry in the sun. This drying process can take up to a week and reduces the moisture content of the beans, preparing them for shipment to chocolate manufacturers. Once the beans reach the chocolate factory, they are roasted to bring out their rich, complex flavors. The roasting time and temperature can vary depending on the desired flavor profile. Chocolate factory worker. After roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed to separate the nibs from the shells. The nibs are then ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. Chocolate liquor is a blend of cocoa solids and cocoa butter. To improve its texture, the liquor is refined using a series of rollers to reduce the particle size. Next comes conching, a process where the refined chocolate is continuously mixed and aerated in large machines. Conching can last anywhere from a few hours to several days, and it helps develop the smooth texture and flavor of the final product. Tempering is a crucial step that involves carefully cooling and reheating the chocolate to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. Proper tempering gives chocolate its shiny appearance and snap. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds to create bars, blocks, or other shapes. The molds are then cooled to set the chocolate. The final step is packaging. Chocolate bars are wrapped in protective packaging to ensure they remain fresh and intact during transportation and storage.
Quality control is essential at every stage to ensure the chocolate meets the highest standards of taste and texture. From bean to bar, each step is meticulously monitored to create the perfect chocolate experience.
And there you have it, from bean to bar, the delicious process of making chocolate. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.